Hi guys, it's Mokuba here. In this video, we'll be talking about how to create your WhatsApp channel. Let's get into the video. So, some couple of months ago, WhatsApp actually updated their platform. That is, you can now create a channel for yourself, like a YouTube channel, Facebook page, all that. So, if you want to create your channel, you simply go to their page. I'll show you guys the figure steps, but for the moment it is not yet available in certain country. So like in my own country it's not yet available, but if it's already available in your country, so the first step is that you simply need to click on the WhatsApp web or on the channel icon. After that, you simply click on what create channel. Once you're there, you simply need to add your channel name. Once you're done with adding your channel name, you can simply customize your channel. That is, add the description, and you can insert your profile. That is your profile picture. So once you're done with that, you simply click on what create. So guys, that is the way you actually create your WhatsApp channel, but I cannot show you guys yet because that it is not yet available in my country. Should in case it is available in your country, you just need to follow that step. But once it's available in my country, I'm going to make a video about that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.